Hello, we are at Tøsevågen Marina and bobilparkering on the island of Byrknesøy in the western part of Norway. And we have slept here last night and we stayed here today, working as we do from the van and just hanging around here. This place is like your typical little marina. You have the possibility to stay here with a motorhome and a caravan. You pay normally it's about 150 to 200 kroner NOK for that. It's about 15 to 20 euros. And for that you get electricity, fresh water. There is no grey or black water disposal here. But we are thinking of going over to the other side of this island, to a little campsite called, what's the name of it? Do you know the name, Gro? Mjømna. That's a good name, yes. Mjømna campsite. So we are going to head over there. In the meantime, have a look at this little drone footage that I took for the first time in my whole life. I've flown a drone today. Well, I hope you liked that little overview of Tøsevågen Marina and bobilparkering. We are going to get ready to leave now, and we have to put down our little TV antenna. It's for the 4G signal. Believe me, we got a lot of comments on this antenna, but it works. It's put there on there by a magnet. We are trying out different antenna for the 4G signals. This one, I'm not sure if we're going to recommend it or not. What do you think, Gro? No. No. She shakes her head, but she all right. Well, see you on the road. So welcome to Mjømna, folks. I would love to give you some facts about Mjømna, but I know absolutely nothing about this place. But it looks beautiful so far. So welcome to Mjømna kystcamping. This crew is going to take you on a little sweep of the area. This is the first day of spring, so we decided we're going to cook outside today and possibly burn the whole place down. I'm under the impression that you can never have enough of this. She's disagreeing with me because she says the pølse tastes like tannvaske. I don't know the English word for it. That should be enough. One more. And now that's one. And here we have the finished result. We're not going to show you us eating in this episode. I think there was enough eating in the last one. Cheers.